The NeoPixel ring is a circular arrangement of programmable RGB LEDs. Each LED can display any color and can be controlled individually using a single data pin. It is perfect for colorful lighting effects, animations, and visual feedback in compact circular designs. Let us quickly go over what each function in this NeoPixel code is doing. First up, the setup function. This runs once when the board powers on. It initializes the NeoPixel strip, sets the brightness level, and makes sure all the LEDs are turned off to begin with. Next, the loop function. This is the heart of the program. It runs until interrupted. Inside it, we call a series of functions that create different lighting effects on the strip, one after another. Let us now upload the code. You can see the color transitions on the NeoPixel strip. NeoPixels can be used for dynamic smart home lighting. They provide a wide range of visual effects which can be used in wearable technology. They may also serve as color-coded status indicators. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.